LAQ number 2A.
Speaker, sir, answer as per computer sheet.
Speaker sir, आज हांव जे LAQचे जो आन्सर मेळ्ळा, the answers in the LAQ reflect several critical failures in debt management. The highlighted issues in fiscal prudence, transparency and long-term planning. Total outstanding of the debt is gone from 16,823 crore, which was in 2016-17, and now it has gone to up to 35,312 crore for 25-26. Speaker sir, no Orsani, more than double, which is 18,489 crore debt amgelo ऋण जो हा तो वाढवला. Repayment schedule जो हा, हरी कोरपाचो जो schedule स्टेटाचो तो दाखवता that the state will pay about 3,600 crores in this year, this financial year 26-27, and हो जो burden हा तो it will go up to 4,800 crore by 2030-31. Speaker sir, CAG report number 3 of 2025, page 18, projects that the government has taken off-budget borrowing. Off-budget borrowing, 15th Finance Commission प्रमाणे, the 15th Finance Commission के report हा, volume 1, page 395 of 438. ये report आजी clear दिलो हा, and it says that all developmental expenses are met from the planned budget without resort to off-budget and non-transparent means. Clearly सांगता कि budget जो हम propose कोताय, तितू तुले तुवें developmental works करपा जाय, आणि off-budget borrowings तुवें घेवपा शिरपणा specially for developmental purpose. आता CAG के या findingaचेर reportaचे page 80 जे दाखयलो हा कि this off-budget borrowing of rupees 604.99 crore was done by GSIDC, 101.40 crore was done by SID CGL, Sewerage Infrastructure Development Corporation. Total of 706.39 crore of budget fiscal liability जी हा 23-24 जी जावपा दाखोवपा जायली जो आमकां तो आमी दाखोयल ना वो आमी लिपोवन दवरलो. So supplementary specific questions speaker sir. जेन्ना CAG report आमकां सांगता, जेन्ना 15th Finance Commission report सांगता की जो budget आम present कोताय ते budgetan तुले पैसे तुवें developmenta उजा करूं जाय. जेन्ना आमकां तुमगे एनेक्साचे दाखोवन दिता की गव्हर्नमेंटा गेलो कॅपिटल लोन मेळटा फ्री ऑफ इंटरेस्ट 50 वर्स हारी करपाचो, आनी हो कॅपिटल लोन म्हणजे तुजें GSIDC उजा करूं जाता, हे सगळे इन्फ्रा डेव्हलपमेंटा उजा करूं जाता. हो तुम प्लॅन कोण ना सोडा, तुम कित्या हे ऑफ बोरोईंग घेताय? Why have you taken this off borrowings when CAG report are highlighting, when 15th Finance Commission is saying that you have to be in a very transparent manner? Please specify why did you take this off-budget borrowing, which is not appreciated by anybody in the Union Ministry.
Now, CAG report, when it is tabled in the House, it is made available to all of us. This CAG report has to go before the Public Accounts Commission for detailed scrutiny, and the Public Accounts Committee then submits a report to the Speaker, which is kept on the table of the House, and then we are supposed to ask questions based on that report, because opposition members are part of the Public Accounts Committee. It is in fact headed by the... I am raising a point of order. It is headed, Speaker sir, it is headed by the leader of opposition.
Because of 15th Finance clearly mutta you
should not the point of order.
Off-budget borrowing.
Everybody will start asking.
I think the answer has to come from the minister.
I'm clarifying.
आता तू आवडता बरे क्लॅरिफाय तू उत्तर दिता.
See,
तू उत्तर दिता का
chairman, CAG, together, PAC, I am not the chairman. For your number 2, Manohar Parrikar made an allegation on you and the Congress government that 35,000 crore scam was there. He spoke about it in public domain also. So please, Speaker sir, nothing stops him. It is in.
I have raised a point of order. Honorable Speaker is entirely.
Your point of order is invalid.
You are clarifying. Let him clarify. Otherwise, I'll clarify.
I am bringing to your notice.
You are clarifying it.
Business rules. As per the business rule, CAG report first has to go to the Public Accounts Committee. It has to go first to the Public Accounts Committee. There you can scrutinize in detail, call the officers, you can call the secretaries, ask them explanation. And based on that report of the Public Accounts Committee, then members have right to ask questions.
Whatever the senior member may be saying may be true, but he has made a pointed reference saying that even the central government believes that when such soft loans are available, why do you go for market borrowings? This is a specific question. So this does not come into the purview of what CAG inferred. CAG म्हणला असत आणि वो प्रोसिजर असत CAG कडे आणि PSC वचपा जाय PSC ना गेले जावंक जाय पण तो कितें म्हणटा की सेंट्रल गव्हर्नमेंटाची ऑब्झर्वेशन आहा की असो सॉफ्ट लोन मेळटना तुम्ही मार्केट बोरोइंग्स कित्याक करता काय म्हणून तातून ताजो पॉइंट आहा सो दिस क्वेश्चन इज करेक्ट
Speaker sir, how reforms we are doing आणि ते रिफॉर्म्स अशेच लोन मेळना ते जितके रिफॉर्म्स करता त्याच्या बेसिसाचेर लोन मेळटा फॉर दिस इयर ऑल्सो वी आर टार्गेटिंग फॉर अनदर around 4,000 to 500 crores of rupees loan under the interest free loan of the government of India scheme. दुसरी गजाल स्पीकर सर हांव ताका कळपाक जाय म्हणून सांगता नाबार्ड आणि सिडबी हाच्या अंतर्गत फॉर द इन्फ्रास्ट्रक्चर डेव्हलपमेंट इधर द इंडस्ट्रियल इन्फ्रास्ट्रक्चर अदरवाइज द रुरल इन्फ्रास्ट्रक्चर हाच्या खातीर फ्रॉम द 2.5 to 5% rate of interest we are getting the loan. We have already taken the 3,000 crores of rupees loan from the NABARD and the SIDBI, which is for the infrastructure development for the capital expenditure of the loan. Ata for his information, the last year we are eligible to take the loan of 4,500 crores of rupees. We have taken only 1,250 loan from the market borrowing. तुझे म्हणता व्हेरीज जाता त्याच्यानुसार which is under the FRBM limit. Under ह्या फावटी स्पीकर सर आमची लिमिट आसा इट इज अप्रॉक्सिमेटली अगेन which is 3,500 म्हणजे आम्ही जी दाखयला तितून but we will take hardly the 1,000. Speaker sir, again we are taking this is for the capital expenditure. पहिले फावटी खरे म्हणजे धन्यवाद म्हणपाक जाय डबल इंजिन सरकाराक हाज्या पयलीं अशा पद्दतीचे पॉसिबल केन्नाच नाशिल्ले कारण हे जे लोन दिवपाक लागला पळय न्ही ते आतांच दिवपाक लागला पयलीं केन्ना दिनाशिल्ले त्या खातीर तूं जो सांगता पळय न्ही म्हणजे आनी वयल्यान तुका हांव कळपाक जाय म्हणून सांगता द इवन दो द CAG हॅज वेरियस पॅरा किंवा आमकां जे आहा पळय गव्हर्मेंट ऑफ इंडिया कडल्यान किंवा CAGन आमी द प्रायमरी बॅलन्स अँड प्रायमरी रेव्हेन्यू बॅलन्स during the year of 24-25, the primary balance and primary revenue balance remains positive. This indicates that debt is on the sustainable path. Why be तुझ्या आमच्या CAG reportat असा. Second, the interest payment as the percentage to the revenue received. The burden of interest payment on the overall debt as percentage of the revenue received is consistently on a declining trend over the during the year 24-25 indicates the sustainable debt trajectory. Debt stabilization. The debt stabilization indicators it is tuned to the positive 21-22 onwards, showing that the debt growth was broadly sustainable. हे बी जे आसा पळय न्ही हे CAG रिपोर्टान दिला. दिस शोज द फायनान्शियल मॅनेजमेंट ऑफ द स्टेट हे हाज्या वयल्यान दाखोवन दिता इतक्यो गजाली. त्याच्या म्हायती खातीर तो जे 35,000 कोटीचे गणित जे सांगता पळय न्ही तितूंतले आमकां जे जवळ 50 वर्सांनी इंट्रस्ट फ्री लोन जे आहा पळय न्ही ते 4,418 कोटी हे इंट्रस्ट फ्री लोन आसा. ओके 50 वर्सांनी फारीक करपाक जाय.
इव्हेंट
स्पीकर सर
आणि इव्हेंट करपा जाय दिसता माझे इव्हेंट बंद करा.
स्पीकर सर आमी खंयचोच इव्हेंट हो रीण घेवन करिना. आमी हे जे रीण काडटा आसत न्ही जाल्यार फक्त आमी रीण काडटा कॅपिटल एक्सपेंडिचर करपा खातीर. ओके आमी रेव्हेन्यू सरप्लस बजेट हो प्रत्येक फावटी दिता आणि ताका लागून म्हाका दिसता आमी हो कॅपिटल एक्सपेंडिचर करपा खातीर आमी रीण काडटा. स्पीकर सर आमी आतापर्यंतचे काढलेले प्रत्येक लोन आमी त्या खातीर सांगला आमी सिडबी कडल्यान घेतला आसत आमी नाबार्डा कडल्यान घेतला आसत जाल्यार प्रोजेक्ट स्पेसिफिक लोन आसा त्याच्या पलीकडे लोन घेवंक ना.
The voice for corn.